Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Tony Blackman here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. Again, I'm here at a single family residence in the city of Akron on the north side near Chapel Hill. We're just evaluating this property to see if the numbers make sense. As you can see, the property needs lots of work. So we're gonna get our contractors through here and see if it'll be a good deal for our partners to purchase. Possibly a cash sale. It will be an as-is condition, but with as-is, it simply means that the seller isn't going to make any repairs on the property, but we do have to perform our due diligence before we actually close on the property. So if you're a homeowner facing foreclosure, divorce, maybe you inherited a property, whatever the case may be, where you would just like a quick solution without having to pay a real estate commission, wait on the market 180 days, even with that, you don't really have a clear-cut closing date, give us a call. We may have a solution for you. We can close in 30 days or less, and we will buy an as-is condition. We don't charge any real estate commissions, and we can actually pay part or all of your closing costs. So, if that's something that may be interesting, if that's something that may interest you, definitely contact us 330-685-2220, or just visit our website www.investparamount.com.